Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Ella, and I am a Salesforce consultant at SOLVD.cloud. And I'm super excited to be diving more into AI today. So if you are a developer, whether you're just getting started or you've been in the game for years, there's one question that keeps coming up in 2025. How should I actually be using AI for coding? Not just for writing hello world scripts or generating to-do apps, but for real productivity, learning, and writing code faster without cutting corners. Today, I'm going to show you how to make AI your most valuable coding partner with real-world examples, practical advice, and some cautionary tips you'll want to stick around for. Tip number 1, think of AI as a thought partner, not just a code generator. Let's start by flipping the mindset. AI isn't just a typing assistant. The most productive developers are using it more like a thought partner, like rubber duck debugging, smarter and faster. For example, you might be brainstorming how to design a REST API for a logistics system. Instead of diving straight into code, you ask the AI, what's a clean way to structure endpoints for managing delivery and drivers? It comes back with suggestions, not just code, but reasons. It outlines resource hierarchies, talks about naming conventions, and even suggests edge cases you should think about. Tip number 2, use AI to speed up the boring stuff. Let's be honest, a lot of development work isn't glamorous. It's repetitive, boilerplate heavy, or documentation related. AI can take that off your plate. For example, you're writing data validation logic, tedious but important. Instead of writing 20 conditionals manually, describe what needs to be validated. And the AI can structure with clean logic and edge case handling. That doesn't replace your brain, it just frees it up for the interesting parts of your work. Tip number 3, use AI to explain code, yours or someone else's. Ever inherited a code base that looks like a puzzle from 2012, or even forgot what you wrote last month? For example, paste in that confusing function and ask the AI, explain what this does step by step and tell me what inputs would break it. This is perfect for onboarding, reviewing legacy code, or just making sure you actually understand what's going on. Tip number 4, use AI as a personal tutor. Learn while you build. Here's a big one, learning by doing. With AI as your tutor, this is way more efficient than watching tutorials passively. For example, say you're learning a new language. You can write code the way you think it should work and ask the AI to correct and explain it. Not only do you get the right answer, you get the why behind it. Tip number 5, use AI for architectural guidance. AI can help you zoom out. When you're trying to decide how to structure a project, design a database schema, or plan component architecture, it can give you blueprints to start with. For example, say you're building an app that handles subscriptions, payment tiers, and user roles. Ask the AI, how would you design the backend models and relationships for this? Of course, it won't replace real-world architectural experience, but it gets you moving fast and helps you ask the right questions early on. Tip number 6, use AI to help with tests and documentation. 2 things that developers often skip, but you shouldn't, are testing and documentation. AI makes both easier. For example, after writing a new feature, you can ask, writing the test for this function and explain what edge cases I might be missing. Then, generate a short usage example for the review. This will help you a ton when you're working with documentation and try to make your code better. Tip number 7, what AI can and shouldn't do. Now, let's talk limits. AI is a tool, not an engineer, and there are a few things you should be careful with. Don't rely on AI for security-critical decisions. Copy code blindly without understanding it. Assume performance or scalability has been considered. Skip real code reviews because AI said it looks good. Use AI to go faster, but never to go blind. You're still the decision maker. Okay, now to recap. So how does smart devs use AI today? Here's the formula I see over and over again, what we just went over in this video. Just to recap, use AI to draft boilerplate, then polish it off yourself. Use it to catch bugs early, but verify manually. Learn new skills like building, correcting, and iterating with AI. Document and test faster with AI's help. And keep asking why. Don't settle for just the what. If you do that, you're not just coding faster, you're becoming a better, smarter, and more valuable developer. Anyways, that is all that I have for you today. I'd love to hear from you guys about how you're using AI in your workflow, what's helped and what's been frustrating. Drop a comment below and let's learn from each other. And if you got value from this video, give it a like, share it with your dev friends, and subscribe to SOLVD.cloud for more deep dives into AI, Salesforce, you name it. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.